Now students, this is an interesting question which is not there in NCERT, but it is a repeated question. This is an example for linear equation in one variable. You can expect question related with linear equation in one variable, even though the chapter is linear equation in two variable. One simple expression in terms of single variable x is given. Solve for x. The given expression is 7x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus x minus 1 by 2 equal to 6 1 by 3. First term, write in standard form. So how to write in standard form? First 7x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 into cross multiply. This is 4x plus x minus 1 by 2 equal to change into proper fraction. Mixed fraction is that 6 into 3 18, 19 by 3. Correct. Now the second term is converted into standard form. Again, how to simplify this? 7x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 into 5x minus 1 equal to 19 by 3. 19 by 3. Okay. Now, here the denominators are 4, 6 and 13. So what is the LCM of 4, 6 and 3? LCM of 4, 6 and 3. So what is LCM of 4, 6 and 3? A number in which these three are factors. That is nothing but what? 12. So multiply by 12. If I multiply by 12, what is the equation? So here I can write this as 12 into 7x minus 1 by 4 minus 12 into 1 by 6 into 5x minus 1 equal to 12 into 19 by 3. In exam you can skip this step. You can directly write the next step. This is 3 times 7x minus 1 minus 2 times 5x minus 1 equal to, you can cancel 4 times 19. 4 times 19. So how to proceed now? So this is 21x minus 3 minus 10x minus into minus plus 2 equal to 4 into 19, 76. 76. Okay. So which is equal to 21 minus 10, 11x minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 equal to 76, which implies 11x equal to 76 plus 1, 77. So what is x equal to? 77 by 11 equal to 7. The solution is x equal to 7. So what is the meaning of this? X equal to 7 is the only value which satisfies this complicated expression. If the complicated expression in one variable is given, use simple technique to find the solution. So step by step, very important. First reduce into standard form this term and the RHS. After that, all the denominators are in single value. So LCM of 4, 6 and 3 is 12. Okay. So using this concept, you can directly write this step. Okay. Then reduce into standard form. The final answer is x equal to 7, which is the only value which satisfies the linear equation in one variable. Here the given expression is 7x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 equal to 6 into 1 by 3. Similar types of sums solved in Marvel Math video courses. Thank you.